How to store, safeguard, and dispose prescription medicine. Safeguarding prescription medicine properly is easy once you know what to do. It's important for the health and safety of your family and visitors. Where to keep your medicine. An organized storage plan for medicine is important for easy reach. Safe storage ensures medicines don't get into the wrong hands, thus avoiding abuse. How to organize your medicines. Check the expiry date of each medicine. Expired medicine may contain harmful chemicals or harbor bacteria. Get rid of spoiled and leftover medicine. For example, eye and ear drops should not be used 7 days after opening. Store medicine in a cool and dry area. A bathroom cabinet is not a proper place to store medicine. Heat and moisture from your shower, bath, and sink may damage your medicine. Store your medicine in a well-lit area that is cool and dry. Safeguarding your medicines. Store your medicines out of the reach of children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion. Do not store medicines for different people in the same place, as this makes it hard to tell them apart. When taking your medicine, place it on a tabletop. In case a tablet or capsule falls, it will land on the top of the table. Also, avoid taking medicines in the dark. Keep your medicine in the packet that comes with it to safeguard it. For example, an amber-colored bottle safeguards liquid medicine from light. Never mix different medicines in the same bottle. Keep medicine bottles tightly closed to avoid spillage and access by children. Also, throw away cotton wool packed together with medicine to avoid any interaction with the medicine. Disposal of medicine. Get rid of expired medicines as quickly as possible to avoid abuse of medicine. Remove personal information on the prescription labels to make them unreadable. Then, mix the medicines with dirt in a sealed plastic bag or empty cans before throwing them away.